APDO, and I brought Poppy here at the Discovery Center. We're here to let you guys all know that APDO is open. We are following the strict guidelines that the CDC has put into place. We are doing same-day treatment just like we always have, and parents are welcome back.
Hi guys, welcome to Coffee Cuties for May. This month we're talking about Dr. Seuss. Thank you to APDO again for sponsoring our Coffee and Cuties. So we do have kits available here for you to buy so you can follow along with the rest of this video. We're going to be making Earth Day Oobleck and Tree pencils. And then at our live Coffee and Cuties, our in-person one, on Friday, May 7th, we'll be meeting at 9:45, 10:45, and 11:45. We'll be doing some different activities. We'll be doing Earth Day slime, and we're going to be making sun catchers. And we're also going to be reading the Lorax in person. So next we'll do a quick demo called Dancing Oobleck. Alright guys, so this is Dancing Oobleck. I had to get it started really quick, but as you can see, this Oobleck I have on this top of this speaker is kind of dancing around. And it's going to start forming its own little things and jiggling around. And the reason it's doing that is because it is a non-Newtonian fluid. So Oobleck, that's a really big word for Oobleck. Just another name for it is a non-Newtonian fluid, which means it doesn't follow Newton's laws. So when you hit it, it actually turns into a solid. When you hit water, it goes with your fist, right? You can move water when you hit it. But with Oobleck, it just gets into a solid, and it goes against you, right? And then when you don't act upon it, it turns into a liquid. It's really cool. So the sound waves, this is a great example of how sound waves, although we can't see them, they are a force. And so they're acting upon the Oobleck and turning it into a solid and making it kind of climb on top of itself and dance. Alright guys, so we're going to make our own Oobleck. You can try to make it dance at home if you want. So if you open up the baggies and the kits that you can buy at the Discovery Center for Dr. Seuss month, has your Earth Day Oobleck in here. So by Earth Day, we mean that we kind of put some earth colored glitter in here. So we got some blue, kind of like the ocean. So we're gonna throw that in the mix, or you can if you want. You can also add food coloring to your water and kind of turn your Oobleck any color you want if you want to add that at home. So Oobleck is just cornstarch and water, which is super crazy. So we've actually pre-measured everything for you. So all you have to do is go ahead and stick your water in your baggie if you want to keep it all clean. And you can even have a bowl at home to throw it over into after you kind of get it where you want it so you can play with it. And the great thing about Oobleck is it's actually not as messy as slime. So when slime gets in your carpet or on your furniture, it's a little hard to get off. But with Oobleck, it's just cornstarch and water, so you can just wipe it off with a wet rag or vacuum it up off the floor. So you gotta kind of work in the cornstarch, but after all you really have to do is add in the water, and then you've got your Oobleck right here. You can throw it in a bowl. If you want it thicker, like as thick as when it was dancing, you can just add more cornstarch. If you want it to be thinner consistency, you can add more water. And then you can add glitter or anything else to your bag or in a bowl that you want. Alright guys, so for our final activity, we're going to do a craft where we're making our own truffulatory. So when you read the Lorax, if you come in person on May 7th, we'll be reading this in person, and so you'll get to see and learn about how truffulatories look and who lives near them, who eats their fruit. That's all in the Lorax. So this is one that I've already kind of pre-made. And so in your kit, you'll have a pencil and you'll have the top of your truffulatory. So it looks kind of like that. There's a loop on this little puff to attach it to your pencil. So you can take a black marker, or I also have a pink one. So essentially, you just kind of start at a place on the pencil and then work your way down and spin it while you're writing. Just trying to make those lines where they're kind of looped around it. And so you just kind of do that all the way down. And like I said, you can add any colors you want to this. Or you can copy the Lorax exactly and try to make it as exact as you want it. And then after you finish drawing on it, you can sharpen it and you'll have a pencil on one end. And then you'll attach the truffula tree topper to the top, and that'll be your topper. And you can even hot glue it if you want, but it comes with a loop, just like on here. If you wanna zoom in, you can see that I just looped that loop around the pencil, but you could add hot glue right there, and it just slides right on after you find that loop. Alright guys, thanks for watching our Coffee and Cuties for May, our Dr. Seuss and Earth Day episode here. So come by the Discovery Center to pick up your kids to follow along, watch this video again, and do the activities at home along with me. You can also come in person, like I said, on May the 7th, 9:45, 10:45, and 11:45. We'll be doing different activities like Earth Day slime, sun catchers. We'll be reading the Lorax, and you'll get to play around with Oobleck in person, our dancing Oobleck. You can also purchase the kits after you get done watching in person, and then you can do them at home that way too. So thank you again to APDO